Hey, welcome back. I just want to make an announcement that in about 6 weeks, my wife and I are going to be packing up and leaving Texas, and we're going to travel for a whole year in our RV. We're going to be driving all across the country, from the south to the north, from the east to the west, and everywhere we go, I am going to be doing POTA activations at any spot that I can find. So if we're near a park that is on the official POTA activation list, I'm going to go there. I'm going to set up my HF rig and I'm going to activate that park. And I'm also going to film it and I'm going to release episodes on this channel that show you exactly what we did. I'm calling this series Parks on the Road. In this video, I'm going to explain why I'm doing this, what to expect, and what's coming next for the channel. So I've been involved with ham radio for 16 years or so now. I got licensed back in 2010, and I originally got into the hobby because I was interested in prepping. And I come from kind of a technical background, working in IT for a long time. And I decided, hey, this is something that's interesting to me, something that I could do. I was always kind of fascinated by ham radio and what you can do in the hobby. So I decided to check into it, and I ended up getting my technician license in Colorado Springs back in 2010. Everything kind of changed for me with ham radio when I finally broke down and got my general license. So POTA now is my absolute favorite activity. I love the outdoors. I love going to parks. I love travel. And I love the fact that I can take my radio with me, and wherever I'm at, I can set it up and I can activate parks. All of this fits together perfectly with what my wife and I are going to be doing for the next year. And I've been planning this for quite a long time now. And I finally got to a point in my life and in my career where I decided I'm ready to do it. Our kids are grown and out of the house. We have some money saved up. We just figured that now is the time. So here's where we're basically going to be going on this trip. In mid-July, we're going to take off from Central Texas and go north. And the goal is to get all the way up to Upper Peninsula, Michigan, and visit some of the places that my wife's always wanted to go, like Mackinac Island, Niagara Falls. We also want to make it over to the New England states. I don't know if we're going to be able to hit Vermont when the leaves change, but that's something that we would like to do. But the goal is to go all the way to the north side of the country, then head east, and then we're going to keep going and try to get all the way down to Florida before the weather gets too cold. And we're going to spend our winter in the southern part of the state, maybe around Key West, and slowly start working our way across the Southwest to visit with some family in California, and then come back through Utah, and then we're going to eventually settle down back in Colorado where we came from. Some of the places we're going to stop and activate for sure are Hot Springs National Park, Big Bend National Park, which was ironically the very first POTA activation I ever did was at Big Bend. So we're going to circle back through there and I'm going to revisit that one. The Grand Canyon, Zion National Park, Yosemite. Any place I can find a national park or a state park or a wildlife area that qualifies as a POTA activation, I'm going to jump in there and do it. Other than those highlights, I honestly don't have all the answers yet. I don't know which other parks, I don't know which days. We might even change direction and throw this whole thing out the window and go someplace different. But the exciting thing is we get to figure it out together. Let me talk about equipment for a sec. This is the radio that I'm bringing with me. It's my Yaesu FT710. This is how I power the radio. It's a Bio-Ino lithium-ion battery pack. It's super light, works great, and it lets me take my rig out into places where there is no electricity. And here's my antenna. It's a Buddy Stick Pro. It comes in this bag. Now let me show you my RV really quick. This is going to be our home for the next 12 months. We've been having it for about 5 years, taking trips all over Texas. We've done a lot of upgrades to it over the years, and I'm excited about taking it on a much longer trip across the country. I'll do a full walkthrough of all of my gear before we leave. That's going to come in a few weeks. But for now, I just wanted to give you some of the highlights. So let me talk about the channel for a second. You've probably noticed that almost all of my videos are tutorials, very practical and how-to oriented topics, like, how to get your license and how to operate radio equipment and which radio to buy when you're looking for a certain kind of thing. And those videos are going to keep coming. I'm going to still be releasing those at least every other week. That stuff's not going anywhere. I'll just be filming it from the road sometimes. What's new is Parks on the Road. That's this series of activations that I'm going to be filming and releasing on the channel. Different format, different feel, same channel. So if you're here for the how-to content, for the educational material, that's going to keep coming your way. So nothing's going to change there. But if you're interested in taking this journey with us and following along as we travel across the country doing POTA activations, living in our RV, then the Parks on the Road playlist is where all of those videos are going to go so that you can watch them all in sequence. And if you really want to stay in the loop and follow along every step of the way and make sure that you don't miss anything, then I have an email newsletter sign up that you can hit. The link is going to be in the description. And if you put in your email and subscribe, once a week, I'll send you an email with the latest details about where we are and what we're doing. And you can make sure that you never miss a video as I release them. Okay, if this sounds like something that you want to follow, the best thing that you could do is subscribe to this channel and hit the bell. Everybody says to hit the bell, but in this case, the bell really matters because I may not be able to upload videos on a regular basis. So you may not know when a new video gets released. That notification bell will tell you every single time. And please let me know in the comments what you think about this. Do you think I'm crazy? Are you excited? Are you kind of disappointed that I'm kind of moving in this direction? Maybe there's a place that you're super excited about me activating from and you want to see that. Let me know in the comments below. I would love to have a discussion about this with you because I love traveling, I love radio, and I love talking about all of it. I just want to say this has been a long time coming for me. I've dreamed about doing something like this for 10 or 15 years now. And I'm so happy that I get to do it now and that I get to bring you along with me and share this whole experience. I'm a lot excited. I'm a little bit scared, if I'm going to be honest. It's a big step. There's really no telling how this is going to go, but I'm happy that you're coming with me. This is KD0JYV73, and I'll see you in the next one.